like a bowl of chili, a song by Willie and a song by Terry G. I like a steel guitar strumming in my backyard, where the sun sets on the deep blue sea, where there's no place that I'd rather be than Sunday afternoon up country. Well, hello, I've come back home to you, Hawaii. I like to play at Charlie's with my friend Lynn, sing a song with Willie K. Talk to all my friends, say hello to Jim, 'cause after all he got my pay. Well, there's no place that I'd rather be than spending all my cash at Komodo's Grocery. Well, hello, I've come back home to you, Hawaii. Drive today to Haleakala, watch the sunset, kiss the moon. Saw my old friend Barry from the Hopper Group play me a brand new slack key tune. Well, there's no place that I'd rather be than swimming at the beach with Eileen and Joshua G. Well, hello, I've come back home